The Air Jordan 1 Low Turquoise Stone blends subtle luxury with classic design, making it the standout in the growing Turquoise Stone lineup. Sporting a clean cream, gray, and black color scheme, the shoe ditches bold patterns for a more elegant appeal. A string of pearl and turquoise charms above the Jumpman tongue logo adds a refined touch, appealing to fans of minimalist aesthetics. Semi-cracked leather accents on the swoosh and collar introduce a soft texture, embracing quiet sophistication over flash. While Jordan brand continues experimenting with models like the EasyOn, Brooklyn, and Method of Make V3, this version focuses on timeless styling. Without overcomplicating the silhouette, the design maintains a fresh presence. This highly polished pair is expected to release soon on Nike.com and select retailers, offering collectors and trend-savvy wearers a luxe twist on a beloved classic.